Here we go, Tiki Fire. Up and away. Ooh, where's my 3 volcanoes? Let's go, Tiki Torch. Tiki Fire, let's see some fire. 2 more volcanoes. Ooh, that'll be a nice line hit. Go ahead and double flush it. Nice line hit. 3 more. We got the feature. Creature feature. Can we get a word? Can we get a word that starts with a G? Mini for 100. Come on, baby. Let's make it, not break it. Let's make it, not break it. Let's make it, not break it. Come on, make it, not break it. Last shot. Make it. Oh. Go ahead and double clutch it. Two more volcanoes. Come on. Two more. All right, we got another creature feature. Here at Thunder Valley, CJ's lots of fun. For a major. I saw the major slide by. I see blue and green sliding by. Come on, make it or break it. Let's get a make it. Come on, baby. Oh, that was a quick creature feature there. Oh man, you got it. $100 ball, $500 ball. Nice. Come on, let's make it, not break it. Make it, not break it. Come on, click. Ah. Nice job on the creature feature. Golden shower, not that kind of a golden shower, but one of coins. Congratulations. Do it again. One more. Oh man, we got the other creature feature. 3 games. 6 free games. You got multipliers on this one? Let's see the multiplier. Tiki Fire, Alpro, Thunder Valley, CJ's lots of fun. Oh, I didn't go all the way across. Oh my, that would have been sweet. Another golden shower of coins. Clutch it. Nice hit. Come on, one more big one. 2 more big ones. Come on, baby. Nice 776. appears it's gotten cold. Come on, give it a volcano. Boy, those were the magic words. Have it over here. Punch it. Just as I said, it appears it has gotten cold. We got 3 volcanoes. Now let's see some orbs. Feature. Gonna get a handy here? CJ says she's gonna get a handy. Golden shower of coins. Double cluster. Oh, wow. Nice. Re-trigger? Re-trigger. Nice handy. And we got it for you on CJ's Lots of Fun. Come on. Come on. We didn't see the orbs yet. We'd like to see an orb feature. Come on, baby. Roll her up a nice one right now. Feature completed, and that is Call the Attendant. We've got a handy. Push the button. Oh, it's locked up already? Call attendant.